Hello traders. Welcome back to the Warrior Trading channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful and versatile indicators in technical analysis, the fractal indicator. This indicator can help you identify trends, predict price movements, and even detect potential reversals. This video is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is fractal indicator? Number 2. How to identify fractals. Number 3. My strategy with fractals. Number 1. What is the fractal indicator? Fractal indicator is a technical analysis tool developed by Bill Williams to identify potential reversal points in the market. It is widely used in binary, Forex, and other financial markets. Fractals are patterns that consist of at least 5 bars and indicate possible turning points in price action. This video is divided. How to identify fractals. Bullish fractal formation. The middle candlestick has the lowest low compared to the 2 candles before and after it. It appears below the price chart. Bearish fractal. Bearish fractal formation. The middle candlestick has the highest high compared to the 2 candles before and after it. It appears above the price chart. Number 3. My trading strategies with fractals. Let's explore some trading strategies using fractals. Trend following. Use fractals to identify the direction of the trend and ride the momentum. Mean reversion. Use fractals to identify potential reversals and trade against the trend. Range trading. Use fractals to identify support and resistance levels and trade within the range. That's it for today's video on the fractal indicator. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding how to use fractals in your trading strategy. Remember to always do your own research and test any new indicator or strategy before using it in live trading. Life presents each of us with opportunities to alter our destinies. If you're looking to take control of your future, we are here to guide you in seizing those opportunities, starting with the easier, more accessible wins. On this channel, we delve into technical analysis, options trading including binary and Forex trading psychology, and, most crucially, money management. We also explore many topics that you may not have encountered elsewhere. By subscribing to our channel, we assure you the potential for significant profits through our signals and strategies. boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading in channel. We assure you the potential for significant profits through our signals and strategies.